back to another unboxing. Today we have the Santa Maria kit by Amati. This is probably a little bit more than an entry level. Not quite as much as an intermediate level kit, but I certainly wouldn't recommend this as for a beginner. I'm just going to slowly take the lid off to give you a bit more of an idea of the box art. There we have it, and I'll just quickly rotate this around like I've done with the others, so you have a feel for what's on the box all the way around as well. We're doing this really just so it helps you a little bit. It's easy when you're in a shop, not so easy when you're online. Okay, so what do we have with the Santa Maria? English instructions, very important if you're living in the English speaking part of the world. And then you have a pack full of all the main laser cut components, which are in birch ply, very high quality ply indeed, and you can see they're all beautifully laser cut, so it saves so much work when you're putting the whole assembly together. Hopefully you can see that okay, you're not getting too much glare from the lighting in here. And there's a pictorial booklet here. This is a step-by-step guide through your assembly process. Plans in there as well, and some nice silk printed flags you can see there as well. Okay, pop that in here. Right, this is a printed sales set. Now, if you have somebody at home that's fairly adept with a sewing machine, you can make these up into a fairly authentic, nice looking set of sales. You may want to stain them a little bit or colour them as they would have been, showing a bit of a more realistic look to sales. Sales are funny things. Sales on the real ships were full of holes and repairs and what have you. You can do all sorts of things with this to make them look authentic, but it's all supplied in the kit. Right, just go through now the planking strips. Variety of woods included. You have walnut strips, you have limewood strips, all very high quality, beautifully cut, no frayed edges. Really important to mention that, because a lot of models out there on the market today really do supply some horrendous quality wood. And looks like they've been cut on a blunt bandsaw. That's the last thing you see with an Amati kit. All very beautifully cut and nice and consistent. There's some more limewood, some more walnut strip there. My apologies. There we go, walnut. Then you have some beech strips here, and then a combination of beech, limewood dowel, walnut, and a bit of mahogany in that pack there. And now we get on to the fittings trays, and I'll try and lever these out just to whip the lids off so you can see inside, and you can see everything. These are major components in here. Brass and wooden parts, dead eyes, blocks, anchors. That's the fighting top there. Some gauze in there for part of the assembly, capstans and windlasses and what have you, some rigging cord. So that hopefully gives you an idea of what's in that particular pack. And then we'll go on to this pack here, more of an idea. And you can see here you've got a bit more. You've got a ship's boat, absolutely beautifully produced in white metal. Again, all you need to do to finish that is to paint it. Various lanterns, blocks, wire, mast trucks, mast bases, the carons here. So you see, really quite detailed, beautifully detailed pins, wire, and rigging cord in there. So hopefully that will give you a nice overview of what is included in the Amati Santa Maria kit. If you require any more detail, there are some, like with all the kits and the Victory models and the Amati ranges, you can view them all online at our website, which is www.euromodels.co.uk, or you can telephone us on 01452 790 800 if you're calling from inside the United Kingdom. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what's included in the Amati model of Santa Maria. Thank you for watching.